Saturn has more than 140 moons, but only one of them made scientists seriously wonder if alien life could already exist beneath its surface. And the craziest part is, this moon is smaller than Arizona. For decades, Enceladus looked completely unimportant, just another frozen rock orbiting far from the Sun. But then, NASA flew a spacecraft through giant eruptions blasting out of its south pole, and everything changed. Those icy plumes weren't just water vapor. Hidden inside them were organic molecules, chemical building blocks of life, and signs of a massive underground ocean. Suddenly, one tiny moon around Saturn became one of the most exciting places in the entire solar system. And now, even years after the Cassini mission ended, scientists are still uncovering shocking discoveries from its old data. New studies, combined with observations from the James Webb Space Telescope, are revealing that Enceladus may be even more active, more complex, and more habitable than anyone imagined. So today, we're diving beneath the frozen surface of Saturn's mysterious moon Enceladus to uncover the newest evidence for alien life and why this tiny world may completely change our understanding of life in the universe. Enceladus is Saturn's sixth largest moon, only about 500 kilometers wide. Roughly the size of Arizona, it orbits deep in the outer solar system, where sunlight is incredibly weak, and temperatures drop to around -200 degrees Celsius. For centuries, it looked like nothing more than a frozen ball of ice. When astronomer William Herschel discovered it in 1789, even the world's largest telescope could barely reveal any details. That changed in the 1980s, when NASA's Voyager spacecraft flew past Saturn. Instead of a dead icy rock, Voyager found smooth regions with very few craters, a huge clue that Enceladus was geologically active. Scientists also noticed the moon sat inside Saturn's E-ring, suggesting it might somehow be supplying material into the ring itself. Those mysteries made Enceladus a major target for NASA's Cassini mission. Launched in 1997, Cassini arrived at Saturn in 2004 and quickly made one of the most shocking discoveries in planetary science. In 2005, the spacecraft spotted gigantic geysers erupting from cracks near Enceladus's south pole. Massive plumes of water and ice were blasting into space at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. Suddenly, Enceladus was no longer a frozen dead world. It had active geology, an atmosphere, and most importantly, liquid water. NASA immediately redirected Cassini to fly directly through the plumes. Scientists hoped to search for signs of habitability, and what they found was incredible. The spacecraft detected water vapor, salts, hydrogen, methane, and organic molecules containing carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, some of the key ingredients needed for life. But scientists needed to know whether Enceladus could truly support biology. To answer that, they focused on four major requirements for life: liquid water, energy, chemicals, and time. The first requirement was obvious. Beneath Enceladus's icy crust lies a hidden ocean. Infrared images revealed huge amounts of heat escaping through giant fractures nicknamed the tiger stripes. At first, researchers thought the ocean existed only near the South Pole, but after years of tracking the moon's motion, they discovered Enceladus wobbled more than expected. That wobble revealed the icy crust was floating above a global underground ocean, covering the entire moon. Then came another discovery. Scientists studying older Cassini observations found unusual heat signatures near the North Pole as well. This suggested Enceladus generates much more internal heat than expected. But where was the energy coming from? The answer appears to be tidal heating. Saturn's gravity constantly stretches and squeezes Enceladus as it orbits the planet. That endless flexing creates friction and heat deep inside the moon, similar to bending a paperclip repeatedly until it becomes warm. Researchers believe this heat powers hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. On Earth, these vents are considered one of the leading places where life may have first begun. They release heat and minerals into the ocean, creating environments packed with chemical energy. Studies of Enceladus suggest similar water-rock reactions may be happening beneath its surface right now. That gave scientists another major ingredient for life: energy. Next came chemistry. Cassini's instruments detected hydrogen and increasingly complex organic molecules inside the plumes. Then, in 2022, scientists confirmed the presence of phosphorus, one of the final essential elements needed for life as we know it. That completed the famous CHNOPS list: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These 6 elements formed the foundation of biology on Earth. Even more surprising discoveries emerged after Cassini's mission ended in 2017. Scientists reanalyzing old plume samples with newer techniques found evidence of highly complex carbon-rich molecules, including compounds linked to advanced organic chemistry. These molecules are like Lego blocks for life, capable of forming increasingly complicated reactions under the right conditions. But one major question still remained: has Enceladus been active long enough for life to actually emerge? That's where the James Webb Space Telescope entered the story. Webb observed a gigantic water plume erupting from Enceladus, stretching nearly 20 times larger than the Moon itself, proving the Moon is still highly active today. The observations also confirmed Enceladus continuously feeds material into Saturn's E-ring, affecting the environment around the entire planet. New thermal models now suggest Enceladus's underground ocean and internal heating may remain stable for extremely long periods of time, possibly billions of years. And that's critical, because life doesn't just need ingredients, it needs time. What makes this even more exciting is that scientists are still discovering new things inside Cassini's decade-old data. Some researchers even believe older Voyager images may contain overlooked evidence of plumes that nobody recognized at the time. Now, multiple future missions are being planned to return to Enceladus. One proposed mission would even send a nuclear-powered robotic ice mole through the crust to search directly for microbial life beneath the surface. And honestly, humanity may be getting closer than ever to answering one of its oldest questions: are we alone? Because Enceladus has completely changed the way scientists think about habitable worlds. It exists far beyond the traditional habitable zone, in deep freezing darkness, yet it may still contain everything needed for life. Maybe life doesn't require Earth-like planets after all. Maybe it can survive beneath icy oceans, orbiting giant planets across the galaxy. And maybe, right now, something is alive beneath the frozen crust of Enceladus. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible space discoveries. And tell us in the comments, do you think we'll discover alien life on Enceladus within our lifetime?